In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a OneNote notebook into a file so you can back it up and open it offline. This is especially useful if you want to keep a secure copy of your notes, transfer them to another device, or access them without an internet connection. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote on your computer and navigate to the notebook you want to export. Make sure all your recent changes are fully synced so that your backup includes the latest version of your notes. Once everything is ready, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. This will open the main menu where you can manage your notebook settings. From the File menu, select Export. You'll now see several options related to exporting your content. First, choose what you want to export. You can export the current page, a section, or the entire notebook. If your goal is to create a full backup, select Notebook to ensure everything is included. Next, choose the export format. To keep your notebook in a format that can be reopened in OneNote, select the OneNote package option, usually labeled as a .1 PKG file. This format preserves the full structure of your notebook, including sections, pages, images, and formatting. After selecting the format, click Export. A File Explorer window will appear, allowing you to choose where to save your backup file. Select a secure location on your computer, such as your Documents folder, an external drive, or a backup directory. Give your file a clear and descriptive name so it's easy to identify later, then click Save. Once the export process is complete, your notebook will be saved as a single package file. To open this file later, simply double-click it, and OneNote will import the notebook back into your workspace. This makes it easy to restore your notes or move them to another device. Exporting your notebook regularly is a good habit, especially if you're working on important projects or storing valuable information. It ensures that you always have a reliable backup available, even if you lose access to your original notebook. And that's it. You've successfully exported a OneNote notebook into a file that you can back up and open offline whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.